Today I'll be showing you how to download Clash Royale onto a PC. First thing you're going to do, open up your browser. Then you'll want to search in Google Play Games Beta, just like that. Enter. Click on the first link. Then you'll click Download on PC. Wait for it to download. Then you'll just click the open file and wait for it to load. Then you'll click install. Click yes. Now you'll wait for it to download. There, mine took about 4 minutes to download. Then you can close this. You'll have your app right here. I'm gonna open it up. Then you're gonna sign in with your Google account. Click sign in. Okay, now close this. Looks good. Accept and finish. Then you can go over to this search. Let's explore. Clash Royale will probably be the top one, but if it's not there, just search in here. Clash Royale. Oh, Clash Royale. And then just click on there. Click install. If you want to add a desktop shortcut like these games I have over here, you can click add. Then you'll wait for it to download. There we go. My game took about a minute and a half to download. Now you can move this wherever you want. If you created the desktop shortcut, you can either click play or double click on there. I'm just going to click play right here. Then I'll wait for this to load. Yeah, you'll just load into your account right there. Click OK. Continue to enter your email. And then you'll type in your verification code that you get from your email. Then you'll click to load your account. And there, now you can play Clash Royale on your PC. You can full screen it. Actually, just full screen it right there. It's a way better view. And then you can just press escape to quit. And click Shift Tab to open up this to change the volume, exit full screen, all that nice stuff. So there it is. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you learned something from this.